Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Windows 11 microphone not working properly. If you are also facing such type of issue, your Windows 11 mic not working properly, then here are the process. First one is right click on a start button and choose settings. Go to Windows settings. You may proceed with Windows plus I key shortcut to proceed Windows settings. Here go to privacy and security from the left side, and thereafter go to right side, and here under app permissions you will find microphone. Click on it and make sure that microphone access is duly enabled or turned on. Let apps access your microphone, also turn the toggle button on, and make sure that important apps and features also turn the toggle button on against each app and feature which you want to use. After that, check whether your Windows 11 microphone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type audio troubleshooter and choose find and fix problems with recording audio or playing audio. Two options available. Run both the troubleshoot option. This is the inbuilt Windows 11 inbuilt tool. So click on open. Find and fix problems with playing video and recording video. Both troubleshoot available here. Here choose advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on run. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will take some times, and choose your speaker and follow on screen instruction to run the audio troubleshoot in Windows 11 and 10 system. After that, restart your system and check whether your microphone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings and here go to system settings from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and here choose sound. Here choose the option if output is problem, then test here. If input is problem, then run the test here, and also troubleshoot common sound problems, output device and input device available here, which you are facing either input device or output device. Choose here and run the troubleshoot common problems of your Windows 11 and 10 audio. The one more fixes is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Update your audio driver. In device manager, go to audio input and output, expand it, right click on your driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for your drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After updating your drivers, don't forget to restart your system. Your problem regarding Windows 11 and 10 microphone not working definitely be resolved. So you must restart your system. That's all.